This video we will see the product review of Samsung Galaxy F16 5G. The Samsung Galaxy F16 5G is a budget-friendly smartphone that offers 5G connectivity, delivering faster internet speeds for activities like streaming, gaming and browsing. This smartphone is designed for everyday use. It features a large display, capable cameras and a long-lasting battery. Now we will see the product features. This smartphone supports 5G connectivity. User can experience faster downloads and smoother streaming with 5G support. This smartphone has a large display. This smartphone comes with 6.7-inch screen and it provides an immersive viewing experience. This smartphone has triple rear cameras which captures clear photos with 50 megapixel main camera. This smartphone equipped with 5000 mAh battery which ensure the phone lasts throughout the day. This smartphone comes with 128 GB of internal storage and expandable via micro SD XC. This smartphone available in various colors including glam green and phantom black. Now we will see the technical details. This smartphone comes with 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display with a resolution of 1080 into 2340 pixels. It also has 90 Hz refresh rate for smoother scrolling. This smartphone powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset processor. This smartphone comes with 4 GB RAM with 128 GB storage, 6 GB RAM with 128 GB storage, 8 GB RAM with 128 GB storage. This smartphone has a rear camera and it has 50 MB main sensor with additional sensors for enhanced photography. It has 8 MB front camera for selfies and video calls. This smartphone comes with 5000 mAh battery capacity and it supports 25 watt fast charging. This smartphone ships with Android 15 operating system with Samsung's One UI 7 and Samsung promises up to 6 major OS upgrades. And this smartphone has 7.9 mm thickness and weight is 191 grams. And the connectivity supported are 5G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, etc. What are the advantages of this smartphone? First point is affordable 5G smartphone. Offers 5G capabilities at a budget-friendly price. Next point is large display. The 6.7-inch screen is ideal for watching videos and browsing. Next point is long battery life. The 5000 mAh battery supports extended usage without frequent charging. Next point is expandable storage. This smartphone comes with 128 GB internal storage and expandable via micro SD XC and it provides ample space for apps and media. Next point is regular software updates. Commitment to up to 6 major OS upgrades which ensure longevity. What are the limitations of this smartphone? First point is processor performance. While suitable for daily tasks, the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 processor may not handle intensive gaming or multitasking as efficiently as higher-end processors. Next point is charging adapter. The 25 watt fast charger sold separately, which adds to overall cost. What are the customers' positive feedback? First point is value for money. User appreciate the combination of 5G support, large display, and long battery life at an affordable price point. Next point is camera quality. The 50 MB main camera delivers a satisfactory photo in good lighting conditions. Next point is battery performance. Many users report that the 5000 mAh battery comfortably lasts a full day with regular use. Based on the configuration, in India the price ranges from 12,499 to 15,499 and in United States based on the configuration the price ranges from $155 to $195.